Remote control shark toys are a popular choice for kids and adults alike who love marine creatures. These toys come in various sizes and designs, with some even mimicking the realistic movement of a real shark in water. They can be controlled using a remote control that allows the user to move the toy in different directions and speeds, making it fun and entertaining to play with. Reviews for these toys typically focus on their durability, ease of use, battery life, and how well they mimic the movement of a real shark. They are great for kids to play with in pools or for adults to display as a decorative piece. Hello and a warm welcome to my channel. I am excited to present to you the latest remote control shark toy that is currently available in the market. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like to stay updated with my upcoming content. Without any delay, let's dive straight into the review. On our list of top products, the DFGEE brand has secured the 5th position. This swimming shark remote control toys for pool dual motors and dual propellers makes the RC Shark more flexible and free. After matching the remote control, the Cool Toys for Boys 8 to 12 Shark Toys has enough power to swing freely in the water and stimulate children's imagination. Remote control shark pool toys for kids ages 8 to 12 becomes one of the most popular waterfish toys for children. This remote control shark toy is made of high-quality ABS material, smooth, burr-free and harmless, absolutely safety for children. The upgraded waterproof encryption technology allows the shark toy have superb safety stitching and streamlined design. No longer worry about water seepage inside the shark. The remote control handle of Shark Toy for Water is powered by 2 AAA batteries. The 2.4 GHz remote control technology of Shark provides forward, backward, left, right control and adjustable 2-speed speed mode. This remote control toys will present different movement paths and can swim freely in the water. Remote control bath toys for kids ages 4 to 8 include a screwdriver, 2 spare propellers, 1 extra rechargeable battery for replacement, while RC Pool Toys Shark has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, comes with a USB charger. Toy Shark can be played for more time. A product from the HTZKO brand has acquired the 4th position on our list of top products. The realistic shape, streamlined body, and flexible tail swim like a real shark. In this year, it will become the most popular water toys for swimming pools, ponds, lakeside, seaside, and bathtubs, bringing unlimited fun to children. Shark must be put in the water to pair and start the remote control. When the shark toy leave the water, the motor will stop working immediately to prevent the propeller from hurting your kids. Made of high-quality ABS and strictly certified by ASTM, all materials were 100% safe and non-toxic. Has been upgraded to 2.4 GHz remote control technology, provides forward, backward, left, and right controls as well as variable speed and auto mode control, with 40 wireless distance. Simple button design and easy to control and realize that multiple people can operate together without interfering with each other. This shark-shaped remote control boat is suitable for children's parties, children's gifts, birthday gifts, after-school entertainment, Christmas gifts, family parties, or outdoor entertainment. Boys and girls aged 6 to 12, or adults, will like this interesting swimming pool toy shark. The 3rd spot on our list is occupied by a product manufactured by the Aomifmik brand. Equipped with upgraded 1000 mAh rechargeable high-capacity battery that will provide you with a longer-lasting experience. Humanized rotary latch design, easy to remove the battery without any tools. Equipped with 2.4 GHz anti-interference and L-type lights. Allows several toy shark to play together with 100 feet wireless distance. The floating shark can go forward and backward, turn left and right. Streamlined figure with flexible mechanical tail joints, power-enhanced motor and coupled with flexible shark body. All the features ensure enough power for the shark to swing to the right and left ly just like in the reality, bringing unlimited fun and revelry to children. The RC sharks will only start working if it is in contact with water and prevents the child's fingers from touching the moving propellers. Not only can your kids play care, but also can prolong the engine life. This excellent Shark Gifts is a perfect remote control toys for boys and girls who are obsessed with shark. A product created by the VOLANTEXRC brand has claimed the second position on our top list. Simulation Shark Toys remote control boat to cruise and move like a real shark in ocean. Featured superb safety stitching and streamlined design, the RC Shark has become the most popular pool toys for kids ages 4 to 8. One key demo and 360 degrees rotate function for much more fun in water. Take it and participate in children's growth. Streamlined figure with flexible mechanical tail joints, dual motors separately on double paddle. Meanwhile, with waterproof sealing technology, all these provide this pool shark to freely swim forward or backward or turn left or right easily. Great pool toys for kids ages 8 to 12 to have unlimited fun. This excellent 2.4G remote control shark toy have all direction steering control and variable speed control. Meanwhile, anti-jamming remote of RC Shark Bath Toys is powered by 3 PCS AAA batteries, support multiple shark boats to swim together in the bathtub, pond, pools and lakes. 2 batteries for double fun, cool boys toys it is. Just enjoy longer playtime with this remote control pool toys. The Shark Toys for boys 6 to 12 is easy to play and learn, a great choice for children's birthday gifts, anniversaries, farewell, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. Also for children party favor, after-school fun, home party supplies, or outdoor fun. The Kudu brand has secured the top position on our list with their high-performing product. With extremely high simulation of appearance and movements, this RC Shark has become one of the hottest water toys for kids in this year. Now you can have a real lifelike shark come alive and swim in water tank, bathtub or swimming pool freely during the quarantine. It will be a big hit for the whole family. Unlimited 2.4 GHz remote control technology provides forward, backward, left, and right controls as well as variable speed and auto mode control, with 40-meter wireless distance. Simple button design and easy to control. Streamlined figure with flexible mechanical tail joints, double paddles design and each configured with a motor, and strict sealing technology. All the features ensure enough power for the shark to swing to right and left freely just like in the reality, bringing unlimited revelry and fun to children. Built-in rechargeable 3.7V 550 mAh LiPo battery and comes with an USB charging cable. The shark can swim 35 minutes on a fully charged battery. This simulated remote control shark toy is made of safe and environmentally friendly high-quality ABS material. Smooth curves and burr-free, ideal choice for birthday gift, children party favor, after-school fun, Christmas presents, home party supplies or outdoor fun. We highly value your feedback regarding the remote control shark toy that has caught your interest. Please feel free to share your thoughts by leaving a comment in the section below. Your input will aid us in improving our content. Thank you for taking the time to interact with us.